This one has been one we've been talking about all morning. In this morning's health alert, if you've picked up an over-the-counter nasal decongestant like Sudafed for that stuffy nose, then you likely didn't get much relief.
A lot of people get you saying, oh my gosh, what do I do now? The FDA says that's because one of the main ingredients found in common cold decongestants apparently doesn't work. The ingredient, I should say, is called phenylephrine, and it's found in popular brands like Benadryl, Mucinex, Tylenol, you name it. Advisors to the FDA claim the ingredient is ineffective in tablet form, and that new guidance could lead to some of those medicines actually being pulled from our store shelves.
That's interesting because NewsNation's medical contributor, Dr. Dave Montgomery, joins us now to talk about all this. Dr. Dave, you have to imagine how shocked we are, so I can only imagine those who are sitting at home right now saying, wait a minute, that Benadryl is sitting in my cabinet. This ingredient has been used for decades. Why is it only being called into question now?
Yeah, good morning to you, Nick. And at the very wrong time. Flu season is upon us, RSV season. I want to point out that what's being called into question is not the safety. This is a safe drug. It is about the effectiveness. Does it actually work? And one of the committees for the FDA, which is the non-prescription drug committee, has now got new data that suggests that it is not effective. And that's what's under question.
Yeah, I know government experts say this is no better than a dummy pill. But Dr. Dave, researchers from the University of Florida, didn't they petition the FDA back in 2007 claiming that phenylephrine failed to outperform placebo pills? So why didn't the FDA do anything back then?
Yeah, I mean, I think researchers and even physicians, day-to-day physicians using this stuff have been suspicious about the effectiveness of phenylephrine. But, you can't make a big claim off of poor quality data. So I think what's happened now is that the quality of the data, the number of the data has now been overwhelming to suggest that we should reevaluate it. I think that's a good thing, right? It's not bad that science says, hey, let's go back and look at this. It seems like it doesn't work very well.
And Dr. Dave, when we talk about the efficacy, are we talking about it doesn't work at all, or it works just a little bit, or it doesn't work the way we thought it did? And so what happens now before they pull it off the shelves?
Yeah, really great question, right? Because there are more than just phenylephrine in a lot of these medicines. And so for some people, it might work for different reasons. Remember, it's not a safety issue. You're not going to pull it off because it's going to harm you. We're just saying it may not be a great nasal decongestant, Nick, in the oral form. I think we've got a little bit of time before we see the FDA make a reclassification first, and whether or not that reclassification from effective causes the medicine to have to be pulled off the shelves.
And I know we all got this push alert yesterday with this news, and I just thought of not only my household, but all the families with littles who, what do we do with our medicines now?
And it's not cheap, so you spent money on this stuff.
And it's not cheap. So what's your recommendation to consumers in the interim while we wait to see if the FDA deems this ingredient ineffective and if it's pulled off store shelves? Do we have alternatives that you recommend?
Yeah, right. So, on an individual basis, a patient might call our office and ask what they can use. Now, remember, there are sprays that work that have phenylephrine in it that work fine. That's not what's under question. It's the pills. It's the oral pill. If there's a spray that we could use, we ask people to use that. But guess what? Each person who is, asking that question for themselves has to call their doctor. And I know it sounds trite, but some of these things can be dangerous. So if you use the wrong thing, you can make your blood pressure go high, for example, and that can be dangerous. Call your doctor.
Okay, Dr. Montgomery, leave us before we close out. What is your recommendation? What should we do going forward?
Yeah. So again, some of these medicines are going to have more things than just phenylephrine in it that help people. And I think on an individual basis, while these are still available, remember the safety's not an issue. Go and use the things that you have been talking to your doctor about that are effective. If you don't get the effectiveness, you don't want to use it or, at all. So, or anyway, I should say, so call your doctors. Tell them about your case, tell them about your profile, and see what is the best remedy for you.
Dr. Dave, my mother would say, leave that medicine alone and just get some chicken soup and sit down somewhere.
With some extra garlic in it, pack a punch.
Chicken soup for the soul. That's right. Absolutely.
Yes, sir. Dr. Dave Montgomery, always good to see you, my friend. Thanks again.
Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.